Hey guys, thank you so much for joining me today. My name is Becky. For those of you who are new here, thank you for stopping by. In today's video, I thought I would do a little clean with me. And as you guys know, I like to do zone cleaning, and this week's zone consists of the family room, living room, and the patio. So today I thought I would bring you guys along with me as I clean the back patio. I just need to wipe down the furniture, and I need to put the kids' backyard toys in a basket or something because they usually just have them thrown everywhere. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. And I went to Pier 1 today, this morning, and I want to show you guys what I got because I got something for the patio. So I went to Pier 1 and I got a new pillow for the patio. And these are specifically made for the outside so that the color doesn't fade and they don't get all messed up. So they had these really cute backyard pillows or outdoor pillows for $9.99, and they had them in all kinds of different colors. In the back I have a couple of different pillows, or several pillows that are different colors, and I just wanted to add some orange in there. And I also got, which this really doesn't have anything to do with the back patio, but they have this really cute little dog poop bags on clearance for $2.97. So I got this for our Sebastian. And I got some candles that they had there for like $1.90, and I wanted to try some different scents, so I got 3 of these. I got pink champagne, Cuban vanilla, and vanilla is one of my favorite scents. And I also got seagrass, which I've gotten, I believe I've gotten sea foam before from Pier 1, but I really like these scents because they're very light and clean smelling. It's not too like overbearing. It doesn't give me a headache. So I got these 3 candles, and that is what I got from Pier 1. So I'm gonna go ahead and start cleaning the back patio, and we'll add this to the back patio too. Okay guys, so I'm just gonna fill up my bucket with water, some vinegar, a couple of drops of essential oils, and a little bit of Dawn soap that I have in this soap dispenser right here, and I'm going to use that to clean up the patio furniture. So if y'all haven't seen my patio before, this is what it looks like. We just have a little seating area on this side with a couch and 2 side chairs and a coffee table and a little rug, and we got this patio set from Walmart. The pillows are from Pier 1, and it looks a little bit different. If you guys have seen my patio tour from last year, we removed some of the pillows and put them on this side over here where we have our little table and chairs when we come out here and eat. And I just put the pillows on the chairs because there were just too many pillows on the couch and they kept ending up on the floor anyway. So this is the pillow that I was talking to you guys about that I will be replacing with the new orange one that we got, and I'm probably gonna give this to my mom for her to put in her patio at her house. So what I will be doing today is just wiping off the tabletop, wiping the chairs, and cleaning off the couch and side chairs over here, and cleaning off the coffee table with the mixture that I made with the vinegar and soap and essential oils. You gonna water the trees? Okay. just love the way the chairs turned out with the addition of the orange pillow. I just love all the colors. It's so cute. So we are ready for spring, summer. And like I said, I'm gonna give this red one to my mom. So let's go see what my husband's doing. So this is what's going on in the front. We had a bush here that was dead, so our neighbor across the street from us helped us remove it, and we are very thankful to him for that because it was a lot of work. So thank you, neighbor, you know who you are. And we haven't messed around with it too much, so after a little while, like, weeds started growing here, like a lot of weeds. So my husband removed all of them. They're all in there. So we'll see what we're gonna do here. I'm not much of a green thumb, so we probably need to plant something here that's gonna be able to survive without being watered for a while. So that's what's going on in the front, and I will keep you guys updated with what we end up doing here in the front. Nothing too complicated, just something so it's not so bare. It's hot out here today, guys. Really hot. Now everything's all clean. We don't have all those pillows just drowning the sofa area. I'm just gonna sit for a moment because I'm really hot. I need to get some water. Oh, what's going on here? What is going on right here? My hair. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video and just tagging along with me as I cleaned up the patio and cleaned out the weeds in the front yard. And like I said, I'll keep you up to date with what it is that we're going to do there. And if you guys have any suggestions for some plants that we could put in the front, let me know in the comments down below. And I cannot wait to see you guys on the next one. Bye!